In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product add-ons and custom fields to your WooCommerce store for free using WordPress. This is a fantastic way to enhance your online store by offering more options to your customers, whether it's additional features or personalized products. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. This platform is your go-to for building and managing your website. So make sure you're on the homepage and familiar with the interface. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your WordPress account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. But assuming you're all set, just hit that login button. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Everything from customizing your site to managing plugins. Now, locating the sidebar may sound mundane, but it's crucial as it's where you'll navigate around. Scroll until you find the section labeled Plugins. Go ahead and click on that. Next up, we want to add a new plugin. This is a feature offered by WordPress to enhance and extend the functionality of your website. Look for the Add New button, typically found at the top of the Plugins page. Click on it to open up the plugin search engine. This is where you'll find thousands of plugins that can add all sorts of features to your site. In the search bar, situated in the top right corner, type in Product Add-ons for WooCommerce. This particular plugin is stellar for adding those extra custom fields and add-ons to your products. With just a simple search, WordPress will present a list of related plugins. Keep an eye out for the one aptly named Product Add-ons for WooCommerce. Once found, click on the plugin title to bring up further details. This information is useful if you want to learn more about its capabilities or read reviews from other users. Always a good habit to adopt. Now, you'll notice an Install button. Click this to begin the installation process. It typically takes just a few moments, so sit tight. Once installed, an Activate button will appear in place of the Install button. Activation is a crucial step because it enables the plugin's functionality on your site. So, make sure you click Activate to bring those product add-ons to life. That's it. You're all set. By following these simple steps, you've added a dynamic feature to your WooCommerce store that can greatly enhance user experience. Play around with the add-ons and adjust them to your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!